Good news is that I have one of these. Oh. I watched a tutorial on how to do this. Hold on. A year ago, I watched a video by Sophia. I don't know how to say her last name, so I'm not even gonna try. She did a video of this $1 makeup that is not e.l.f. And I just kind of wanted to try these things. You may be thinking,
are you a makeup artist? Are you a makeup professional of any kind?
And the answer is no. But I'm a makeup consumer. I'm someone who likes makeup a lot. A lot. The cool thing about $1 makeup would be if it really worked, obviously. A lot of times I feel like you get what you pay for. So literally everything is $1. Other than they have some things that are like for charity, so they're a little bit more like $1.55, $1.88. I ate Doritos before this. I'm sorry if I have shit in my teeth. So I bought several of those things just because they say that they go to charity. I'm all about that shit. Cool. And by the way, like, I'm in a really weird mood. So if I seem like kind of bitchy, it's because I kind of am. They had these weird like body oils, but I wasn't up for that. And I also don't really usually use an eye primer. I use like a spray and then put down concealer. So that's all I'm gonna do. Why am I using that when I have a whole fan? Oh, by the way, I got this from them too. Excuse me? I'm not okay with that. What color did I get? Light yellow. This shit's already drying down. I can feel it. Oh my God. Okay. Wow. What? We're gonna try that again. Maybe I just put too much because no. I mean, there's some thick concealer. Like, is this a joke? Where'd the concealer go that I just had? There it is. This time, we're gonna go in easily. Like, boop, 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 boop. And then we're gonna blend it out fast. Alright, so, okay, I think it's fine. I think I just definitely used way too freaking much the first time. We won't do that again. Oh, and my beauty blender, I already took it out of the thing so that I could wet it. But it's called the Wonder Blender. It's alright. By the way, that was their makeup wipes that I used and rose water scent. So far, so good. And for eyeshadows, I got a couple of their pressed ones. Mostly because this one, I'm sure it's not going to show up correctly on camera. But it's like a yellow. It's called Exotic. But I've been looking for this exact color in eyeshadow for I can't tell you how long. Also, I got a whole bunch of other like little just stupid stuff. So I'll show you all those things later. Seems to be blending rather well. Also, when I watched Sophia's video, that was a solid year ago. And I don't remember what she liked or what she didn't like. And I thought about rewatching her video before I filmed this one. And then I was like, nah. Different things work for different people. And different people like different things. Like, obviously. Ooh. Can you see that? Probably not. Okay, so far this shadow sucks. I didn't put anything over top of that concealer to set it, so it should just stick to it. But it's kind of not. And I'm actually furious. That was intense. I'm sorry. I'm not furious. I'm upset though. Maybe I should have put it down before the transition, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. I will try it with my finger though. It's just not
giving me that.
It's not giving me what it looks like in the pan. But this is definitely one I will try again this week and film. Just because I like the color so much. So definitely using my finger worked a lot better. I hate when they do this. I have nothing better to do than almost break a nail trying to get into some makeup. Nothing at all. That's pretty. Alright. There are no rules in makeup. Do what you want. I don't know if that's gonna show up yet until like I have foundation and stuff on to like offset it. I have a vision, okay? I know I look crazy right now. This really doesn't look good. I'm not giving up on it yet though. Let's push through and give it our all. Yeah. Okay, that helped.
Let's move on to foundation.
I promise, I despise that plastic shit. So the foundation, they were out of any shade that would have possibly ever matched me. And I can just about guarantee this one's gonna be way too light. This is gonna be light as hell. I'm scared. Yep.
Wow.
I just like to wear makeup, and I like for it to do what it's supposed to do when I wear it. Of course, it would be great if $1 makeup worked. But
they ask you how you are, you just have to.
This is not cute. By the way, there is like no coverage. I'm not applying a whole lot just because it's so freaking pale. I guess that's not necessarily the foundation's fault that it's pale as hell, because I could have got a darker one, but I actually couldn't get a darker one
because they were out of every shade that would have matched me.
That was hideous. It looks like I'm trying to be Wednesday Addams. It looks like I'm actually not gonna make a Michael Jackson joke because like, I guess the finish. No. I was gonna say I don't think the finish is bad, but yeah.
It actually is.
To try to help this out, because I want to use my fan. No, because my skin is so dry, I can't do that. Like, it's quite matte. Okay, I'm losing hope. I really am. It could look worse. It could. We're gonna go very easy. We already know this shit is big. Bro, why does it do that? I've never seen concealer blend out like that. Oh no.
Oh no! Oh no!
I don't like concealer that is super thick and or dries down super fast.
I don't like that.
I really should have rewatched Sophia's video before I did this. The coverage is okay if you like that kind of coverage. I'm gonna do the yellow. That's definitely a little better than the top. So I'm gonna use the bronzer that I got because it's matte.
This is the worst eyeshadow look I've ever done.
And I'm also gonna take this highlighter, which is called Snap. It feels very weird. It's a weird texture, like gritty. You know, this is the shittiest makeup I've ever done, ever. I'm not saying that I just normally do just like these banging ass looks. I'm saying that this one is
Particularly
worse than anything I've ever done. I'm gonna kind of try to darken my whole face. I'm trying to be positive, but I've never looked uglier. So it's actually a really good thing I'm not going anywhere, because I would not go. That's not horrible. It's not horrible. Let's see if it'll contour my nose. The bronzer isn't bad. Okay. I feel like the bronzer helped. Let's do eyebrows. Hey, Miss A, ma'am, can you stop putting plastic on all of your makeup products? For eyebrows, I didn't have my shade in the pencils or the pomade, so I only got the gel. I've actually been going for like a super natural,
Maybe not supernatural.
but like a more natural brow look. But I also don't know about just using gel. I actually like this. The Beautycounter brow gel is almost exactly this consistency and almost exactly does the same thing.
Shots fired!
And this one's $1, so that's a win. I would have preferred to have a pencil too, but we're not being picky at this point. For eyeliner, I got several options. Husband?
Yes.
What was that? I got a green shade and I got a copper shade. This liner's a bit dry. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Hold on. What are you gonna do? You're so cute. Go play with those. But now I'm gonna use their little matte blush. I don't hate the blush. The blush is okay.
It's okay.
Okay, it's not bad. It's actually kind of like natural. Skinny mascara. I love these little skinny ones for the bottom lashes. I don't think this is meant for top lashes, but I also don't really care about mascara on my top lashes. 90% of the time, if I'm wearing makeup, I'm gonna wear fake lashes. So this eyeshadow is just not it. I do have setting powder, but I'm not gonna use it today. My face is like dry enough right now. I don't think I need to add any powder. Lashes from them, these are the ones I'm gonna use right now. But I also got a big pack of these because they look like the Demi Wispies. I'm struggling.
I know.
What, baby? I'll be back after I put on my lashes. I actually like these lashes. If this look had turned out the way I wanted it to, these lashes would have been perfect. But I'm definitely going to try all these things out and the things that I got that I didn't try one other time this week. So stay tuned for that. I will include that in this video. And do like a mini haul of all the little odds and ends that I got from this place. The lipstick I got is called Coconut.
I love this shade.
It's an absolutely perfect like dookie brown, and I love that.
So hopefully it works.
It's very smooth. I love the lipstick. That's nice. It's very creamy. Oh my gosh, my face is so much lighter. Is it the best makeup I've ever used? No. Is it the best like cheap makeup I've ever used?
Also no.
I really think it just needs like another shot. Like I can't really decide for sure on everything yet, other than the lashes. I really like these lashes. Which ones were these? They're the premium lashes in Ilidia. I love spiky lashes. But yeah, so this video's not over because I have a lot more to include. Also sorry for this angle. It's kind of shitty. So I tried the makeup again, and I have no actual idea why it looks like I have a mustache. I feel triggered and I put a filter on this clip, so yeah. I didn't even bother with lashes because as soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna take it all off. That's my son making noises, by the way. My husband's in there with him, so he's fine. Like I said, everything was $1, so that's why I wanted to give it like a fair shot. I didn't even use the concealer again because yesterday that was a huge fail and I didn't like it, and I didn't even want to mess up everything else by using a concealer that I didn't like, so I didn't use that. Waterproof eyeliner in like the green color because I really love greens. I hope you can see that. I used it last night and then I put it back in. And then I went to, which it was kind of already messing up last night, but then today, yeah, so that's going to be a pass. The liquid eyeshadow in the green shade. It's just not super pigmented, so you kind of have to layer it, which doesn't really work that well, but I think this is okay. Love the lipstick. I really like the lipstick. It's super like soft. And that shade was Coconut, I think. I did use the setting powder today that I didn't get to use last night. I had the banana powder, and it's not very yellowy to me. It's more of like a beigey color, but it's okay. I don't not like it. For $1, I still like the mascara. Mascara was good. Still like the brow gel. I used that again today. Highlighter, I still like. I wore it again today, but I kind of layered it like a lot so that it would be more shiny. and I like it. It's pretty. I love the bronzer. I really do. It looks like it would be super like orangey, but it's really, really not. Like I just like it. The foundation. Today, I'm wearing it again today, but I mixed it in with, I don't remember which foundation I used, but I mixed it in with one of mine that are my shade, just so that it would be like a little darker than this. And it actually was fine, but on its own, I don't think it's super like covering. I don't even like full coverage, so I don't know. I really don't think it's bad for $1. I think if I had gotten the right shade, I probably would have liked it a lot more, obviously. I really do think are worth the $1, like that you're not going to regret spending $1 on, is the sponge. Like, it's already very dirty because I've used it twice now. Actually, this one was $1.55 because it was for the charity one or whatever. I think it's a super good sponge for that price. Like, it's kind of, I would say it's like a little bit more firm than the Real Techniques one. I would use this. I probably will use this. And I really like these makeup remover wipes. They're gentle, but they take off the makeup. And I have sensitive skin, and I even use these on my eyes, like to take the eye makeup off, and it took them off really well. Like, I only used one wipe. So for $1 for 15 wipes, I think you can't beat that. The collagen facial mask, want to still try, see if I like it or not. It made my face feel super like hydrated and soft and smooth and firm-ish and all of the things. So 10 out of 10, recommend that mask. Got some stupid little things just to see what their other stuff's like. Like, this is a little flashlight keychain. It was $1. This phone hook that goes on the back of your phone, $1. I'm about to put that on my phone like right now because my other one is wearing out. And this little car mount, you put it in the fan vents, whatever they're called. And I broke my other one from Amazon, so I wanted to try this. Something else that I really actually liked was the hand cream. I'm cool with that. I also got these because I always need these. Like, hold your hair back when you put on makeup, which I used to have one of these and I don't know what happened. I'm actually not gonna put that on right now because that would be stupid, but it's very soft and pretty stretchy, so I was very excited about this fan, which already broke. I only used it like 2 times. Basically, I forgot to mention these 2 things that I actually really liked. This is the Malibu Glitz blusher. This is really awesome eyeliner, the shade Fame. This is really nice. I like this. I used it last night and I used it today. It goes on super smoothly and the brush is actually good. That was everything. Only the things that I said that I liked would be the things that I feel like are good $1 dupes. I love things that are a bargain. Who doesn't? So yeah, that's it. See y'all in my next video.